Your friends and family will love these cookies a latka when you decorate them with these whimsical Hanukkah cookie stencils from Confection Couture. To learn more about the techniques shown here, check out the other videos on the Confection Couture YouTube channel. In addition to the stencils shown here, you'll find more information about the tools used in this tutorial by visiting our website. These include the AirGenie airbrush system, Stencil Genie, Wonderbar Accessory, Screen Genie, Quadrant Masking Tool, Gyro-Cut craft and hobby cutting tool, cookie magnets, DecoPac airbrush food coloring, and of course cookie cutters. Visit ConfectionCoutureStencils.com today and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas.